Good morning, guys. I know you cannot see me, but none of the lights are on because Danielle is still in bed and I don't want to wake her up. But today is Saturday, February 17th, I think. And it's like 8:30. But today is Travis and Crystal's gender reveal party. So, super excited. But right now I have to help my mom make cheese dip and a fruit pizza, and I think that's it. Like my lights, I did those last night. There's more over there, but you can't see because it's dark. But oh, I'm being a rebel. I'm not going to class today. Woot woot. I think that's probably it. Sejin's coming to the party, so I'll get to see her. Yeah, well, I gotta go help her, and yeah. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit. Peace. What's wrong, Mom?
My pan's too big.
Look at this. It doesn't fit. Okay, well, now I'm making a smoothie. Leave her alone. Alright. Get this!
Is everything in this?
Uh-huh. It's just
Salsa?
melting.
Everything.
Yep.
I need to wash my hair. Oh, this needs.
I was letting it cool.
Yo, don't get that on me.
It's just water.
What, grease?
Ew. It's not on all the way.
Careful.
It was. Can I have a napkin?
Here's these.
This is nasty.
No, it's not. It literally.
You should just taste it, Brayden.
It literally
you
tastes.
taste nothing of the spinach. All it does is add.
It looks like a poop color. Looks
Yeah.
like someone had Taco
It
Bell
literally-
for 3 days in a row and couldn't poop.
It literally tastes the exact
All
same.
over the counter here.
I feel like it needs more liquid in it. It does look a little disgusting.
Dip is going. Where's my phone with my list? Cheesecake's in the car. and cools. As it's cooling, I'll do
So
my
let's go
cream.
wash your hair. So I need to wash mine too.
I need to get this off my. Every time I look down, I see it.
Look here. I don't think it's all over this. Alright, Brady. I'll put the deodorant away. I cannot have something that looks the exact same color. It just be more. I mean, it probably should be the same color because this isn't. Oops. But now you know. Smoothie.
Where's the other one?
I don't know, but this is one. It stopped. So I just curled my hair. It's kind of still messy, but I'm gonna go get dressed and then go back and fix it some. Because we're running out of time before we have to leave. So is Mom with you? Alright. So look. I gotta turn some more lights on though. See it up there? Did it last night. Plus over here. I have that one as well. And then I have to go print more pictures because I'm gonna do like along the top up there. One, so. Alright, but now I have to get dressed. I have no idea what to wear. I've never been to a party like this. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get dressed now. Alright, well, I'm dressed. I like this shirt needs fixed. It's kind of crooked. Leggings. And I've done my makeup, which y'all can't see. It's not the greatest, but I was in a hurry. Now I'm going downstairs to get ready. This looks nice.
Huh?
It looks nice.
Does it?
Yeah, it looks good. So you're just
I'm
gonna,
trying the bananas on this one.
yeah.
Look what I did. Put them down on the bottom and then put this on top.
Oh yeah, though.
And then that doesn't matter. You won't see if they get brown.
Yeah, that'll be good.
It'll just be hard to spread it.
Oh, true. But I think that'll be good. Hey guys, so we're loading everything up now. I'm getting ready to leave. And Sejin finally texted me back, so she's just gonna meet me there. But now I'm getting the car started. So yeah.
Will this sit here?
Yeah.
Without sliding?
Where am I supposed to put that?
Put it right
Put
there.
it right there. Alright, thank you.
Alright, now shut the truck.
Girl. Girl.
He's gonna fall. Alright. Do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Maybe it's the way she walks. Ow! Straight into my heart. So let
Oh, yay!
no, he's back.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Okay, is he leaving?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I know, I remember you, and you know, I hope you better go up there.
I can't. What are you doing? You can't go. It's not your turn.
Hey guys, we're at the mall. We just got done with the party like a little bit ago.
I got to eat.
Nice to know. But we're currently at the mall and we're gonna go see Elise. Shout out to you, Elise. See, I'm giving a shout out this time.
I gave her a shout out technically.
Mine's more of a hi, Elise.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go to the mall, so yeah, so peace. Us walking. Does this look awkward?
Oh.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm holding my what?
This is when you're holding your belly.
Why would I be well, I ain't pregnant.
The key got
Do you think that was I did the get to know me video, you know? Would it be weird then to do a 50 facts about me video?
Because you already did something like that already.
I did get to know me.
Yeah.
But would that be weird? Do you think? That is so cute. This.
Oh, yes.
So what are you looking for?
I don't know.
Just looking.
I'm not really looking for anything. I'm sorry I keep looking into you.
Yeah, all the way.
I'm still wide awake. I wanna stay up all night, jump around until we see the sun. I wanna stay up all night.
Hey guys, so we just got down to the mall. Now we're at Sedgens, and she's going inside to get some money, and then I think we're gonna go. Well, I'm waiting for my dad to reply because if it's supposed to snow a lot, then I'm gonna drive. If not, she's gonna drive. But look at this. Do you see how it's snowing? It literally just all melted and warmed up, and like now it's cold again and it's snowing, and I just want it to be summer. I'm done with the snow. Like, I mean, I guess it's not my big good because if it's snowing tomorrow and Monday, then I'm gonna take Sedgens senior pictures on the snow. But like, the snow could just go away, please, because I'm so done with the snow. But, yeah, I don't know. But me, Sejin and Jamie are gonna go see The Greatest Showman. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A for dinner before the movie because it's right by Jefferson Point, and it's like so good. And such a key stuff from there. But like Jamie's already seen The Greatest Showman. She said it was so good she wants to see it again, and I just want to see it because I haven't seen it yet. So I mean, Sejin really wanted to see it. So yeah. I keep like looking at myself versus looking there. I keep looking at myself there. There's myself. There. There. Versus. Did the light just turn on? I don't know. But I'm sorry I didn't vlog very much at the gender reveal party, but it's like super awkward because like I don't know a lot of people there. Yeah. I know they just hung up, but it's 10 minutes ago. Never stop with anyone. Tonight, let's get some. Alright, does it look like my hair needs washed? Because like this morning I was gonna wash it, but then I was like, it doesn't even look like it needs washed. And now that it's done and like it's curled, it really looks like it needs washed. And I hate it because it didn't look like that before I curled it. So now it's like super annoying. Oh well, I'll just have to wash it tonight or in the morning. Alright, well, we're just waiting for Sejin now, so I will see you guys. Oh, there she is. There's the Sedgy Wedgie. There she is. I thought you said you wedgie. Alright, well, peace out.
Have you seen my High School Musical video?
It is hilarious.
It's on like Instagram.
Hey guys. Say hello, Sejin.
Hi.
And there's Jamie.
Is that your other cousin?
Yeah. The longest time you were like trying to make me take it off.
Got some cheese in the movie theater.
Oh wait, look at her comments. I'm like, hot. Oh, I'll delete this. Wait. And then, yeah, don't forget the KCAs are coming up.
Oh,
Oh, it's gonna be horribleness.
horribleness. We are at the movies. I don't know what to say. I'm so bad at this.
What movie are we seeing?
I already said earlier, we're seeing The Greatest Showman.
Are you excited?
Yes, because I really want to see
Oh,
this movie.
Breezy.
I know, I miss her. I want Breezy back and take away Guinness because I can't stand him.
I heard your dad doesn't like Guinness.
No, he hates him.
Oh, look, here's more.
Alright, well, we're at the movie, so I'll talk to you later.
Is that Danielle?